This is Buddy with Tactical Transmissions in Mansfield, Texas. I've been in the automotive industry for 38 years, in the transmission industry for over 20 years.
Hi, my name is Justin Stacks. This is my dad. I worked here at Tactical for a little over a year. The owner decided to sell his business after having it for years. I saw it as a perfect opportunity for my dad to buy this, so I called him.
Spoke with the old owner, and I liked the foundation, the name of the business, the way he ran the business. We saw an opportunity to purchase this as a family, to carry on the Tactical name and make it our own. I saw that there wasn't going to be an opportunity at the old business that I worked at, and this was a perfect opportunity for us to be able to grow this and make it our own and take care of the customers here in Mansfield. So if you have a transmission that is slipping, jerking, check engine light on, won't come out of gear, we do offer a free diagnosis, which none of my competitors do. Deem that important so we can figure out what's going on so we can make the correct repair for what you need. Give us a call or contact us on our website.